This is Rochelle, and I'm back with another zdigitizing.com design to embroider. This file design is a motorcycle. Do you ride? Okay, great. Watch this. Go ahead and embroider this out into this beautiful motorcycle design from zdigitizing.com. Everyone's welcome, so come along. As you can see, we're started. I've already prepared the hoop with the stabilizer and the fabric for the design. This design is available at zdigitizing.net or zdigitizing.com. Yes, use the coupon in the description and you will receive a healthy 50% off your first order. Isn't that wonderful? I think it's a great deal. Now, when you go over to zdigitizing.com or zdigitizing.net, you will be able to select some pre-designed files for use, or you can also place an order with your own designs to be digitized for the embroidery hoop. When you receive your file, you'll have the file in whatever format you need. You'll have all of the formats available to you, and you'll have the sizes. They can run from 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, 6 by 6, all sizes, and they do all of the work in-house. They have excellent customer service, so don't worry about a thing. If you ever have a problem, just contact their customer service department and they will reach out to you in a short amount of time and have your problem resolved. Payments, no problem. Their site is secure. I never had a problem using their site for placing my order or for paying. So go ahead, click the link below and get your 50% off on your first order. Take full advantage and get as many items as you like and enjoy your embroidery projects. Now I see we're moving right along with the motorcycle. Have you looked at my other videos on the embroidery? I have several videos. This is number 11. This is project number 11. So there are at least 10 more, so something to interest you. There are the hummingbird, the dream lady, a rose. I mean, there's something for everyone. Now we have the motorcycle. We also have a fish. So hang around and look at some of the other beautiful designs that I have received from zdigitizing.net or zdigitizing.com and enjoy. If you like this video, please go ahead and leave a comment at the end of the video. Go ahead and share the video with some of your friends or other creators. The coupon is good for anyone. Anyone can use the coupon to get their 50% off. So you might want to go ahead and share the link for the coupon as well. I see we're moving right along here with the design. You can use this design in many ways. You can put it on a hip bag, or you can put it on a hat, or you can even put it on a t-shirt. Yes, it has many uses. So go ahead and use your creativity. Maybe you want your motorcycle to be red. or green. Just go ahead and choose your thread accordingly. This is a one color design and it does embroider out to about 3 by 2.5. So it's an easy file to make. As soon as this is completed, I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the hoop. I'll get the threads, the loose threads, all cleaned up for you, and we'll take a look at the final product. Yes, it's coming along nicely. I think we're almost there. So I will go ahead and get this cleaned up for you. Now, this is an excellent design. I love this. So I'm just going to say, please go ahead and leave a comment, like, subscribe, and share with other creators. And don't forget to leave a comment below.